next topic of chapter integer, that is division of integers. As you all of you know that division is exactly opposite procedure of multiplication. Means division is the inverse procedure of that multiplication. Okay. Now see, multiplication 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So you can say that division is exactly opposite. So you can say that 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3, or you can say that 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. This is multiplication statement. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Correct? Or 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Correct? Let's see another example. 4 into 3 is equal to 12 is the multiplication statement. Now you know division is exactly opposite. So you can say that 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Either these are satisfying? Yes. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay. Let's check in case of integers what we will get. Okay. First case 2 into minus 6. Okay. Then minus 4 into 5. What we are getting? And minus 8 into minus 7. What we are getting? Okay. Now see. You know multiplication. You know multiplication. 2 into minus 6. What I told you? Multiply like a normal whole number and give the minus sign. So 2 into 6, 12, and put a minus sign. 1 is minus. Answer is minus 12. 4 into 20, 20. Put a minus sign. Both are positive. Multiply like a normal number. 56 and use the plus sign. Okay. Now this is the multiplication statement. This is multiplication statement. And each multiplication statement having two division statements. Each multiplication having two division statements. Right? Just now we have seen 2 into minus 6 is equal to minus 12. So minus 12 divided by minus 6, how much? 2. Or minus 12 divided by 2, how much you get? Minus 6. Multiplication and division both are the inverse procedure. So minus 12 divided by minus 6, you will get the answer 2. Or minus 12 divided by 2, minus 12 divided by 2, what you are getting? Minus 6. This is first. Let's see second. Minus 20 divided by 5, how much you get? Minus 4. Or minus 20 divided by minus 4, what you get? 5. Minus 20 divided by 5, what you get? Minus 4. Or minus 20 divided by minus 4, how much you get? 5. Same case, 56 divided by minus 7, you are getting minus 8. And 56 divided by 56 divided by minus 8, you are getting minus 7. Okay. Each multiplication statement having two division statement. Normally each multiplication statement having two division statement. दो अगर मल्टीप्लाई करके माइनस 6 से तो आपको रूल पता है, दोनों का होल नंबर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो और उसको माइनस साइन करो. अगर दोनों नेगेटिव है तो आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है और पॉजिटिव साइन देना है. ओके. नाउ सी द ऑब्जर्व दिस थिंग्स. minus minus, answer you are getting plus, minus plus you are getting minus, minus plus you are getting minus, positive integer, negative integer you are getting negative integer. From these observations, see these observations. See this. When a negative integer divided by a positive integer, you have to divide them like a whole number and put a negative sign. If the negative integer divided by the positive integer, you divide them as a normal whole number and give the minus sign. Okay, first is if negative integer divided by the positive integer, divide by whole number and sign will be negative. See, any cases you can see that minus divided by plus, minus divided by plus, you will get answer in minus, in negative form. Second case you can see when a positive integer divide by the negative integer, divide by the negative integer, you will get a negative. Positive integer divided by the negative integer, you will get the sign minus. Okay, see 56 is the positive integer divided by minus 7. आपको नॉर्मल डिवीजन करना है 56 divided by 7, आंसर will be 8 and put a minus sign. न्यूमरेटर या डिनोमिनेटर में से अगर कोई भी एक नंबर नेगेटिव है तो आंसर आपका नेगेटिव है. कोई भी एक नंबर अगर आपका नेगेटिव है तो आपका आंसर नेगेटिव है. ओके, नाउ सी द थर्ड केस. When negative number divided by the negative number, you will get positive integer. When negative integer divided by the negative integer, you will get positive integer. यानी अगर दो नेगेटिव नंबर है उसका आपको डिवीजन करना है तो आपको नॉर्मल ऑपरेशन करो. 12 divided by 6, answer is 2. Give the positive sign. When negative integer divided by the negative integer, sign will be positive. These are the three observations we have seen. Negative by positive, sign will be negative. Positive by negative, sign will be negative. And if we divide negative integer with negative integer, sign will be positive. Let's see some examples. 9 divided by minus 3. One is positive integer, second is negative integer. So normally what you have to do, sign भूल जाओ आप, sign के कुछ मत याद रखो. 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. What will be the answer? 3. 3 is the 9. 3 is the answer. So one is negative, one is positive. Use the minus. Use the minus sign. Minus 12 divided by 4. Sign भूल जाओ, बिल्कुल भूल जाओ. 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4. What is the answer? 3. And one is negative numerator में, so write 3. Okay. Minus 36 divided by minus 6. Both are negative. Please remember this case. If both are negative, do as a normal operation. 36 divided by 6, answer is 6. Okay, both are negative, so answer will be positive. Then 35 divided by 7, ये तो आपको पता ही है, answer is 5. Both are positive, then no case, positive will be the answer. Okay, understood? When a positive integer divided by negative integer, do the normal operation and give the minus sign. If negative integer divided by positive integer, do the normal operation like a whole number and give the negative sign before it. If both are negative, means one is negative integer divided by another negative integer. Normally आपको divide करना है और क्या कौन सी sign देनी है? Positive. You have to give the positive. And last one you already know. Okay. Now let's see the next topic. Properties of division. Now let's see the property of division. First property, closure property. Closure property क्या है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में दो इंटीजर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमेशा इंटीजर ही आएगा. एडिशन में क्या था? दो इंटीजर की एडिशन इंटीजर ही आएगा। और सब्सट्रैक्शन में क्या होगा, दो अगर इंटीजर आप सब्सट्रैक्ट करते हो तो आने वाला आंसर इंटीजर ही आएगा। लेट्स चेक फॉर द डिवीजन। ओके, सपोज a and b are two integers जिसका आपको डिवीजन करना है। ओके, इफ यू डिवाइड a डिवाइड बाय b, आने वाला आंसर इंटीजर है क्या नहीं वो हमने देखना है। ओके, सपोज a is 36, b is -4. Let's check whether you are getting integer or not. 36 divided by -4, normally divide करो 9 -9, you are getting integer. Okay, now divide 3 divided by -5. 3 divided by -5, you are getting -3 by 5. You are not getting integer in this. 1 divided by 9, what you are getting the answer? 1 by 9. Again, it's not an integer, it's a fractional number. It's a fractional number. So you can say that integers are not closed under division. Integers are not closed under division. यानी दो इंटीजर अगर आप डिवाइड करते हो तो जरूरी नहीं कि आने वाला आंसर इंटीजर ही आएगा। ओके, इंटीजर्स आर नॉट क्लोज्ड अंडर डिवीजन। फर्स्ट क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी देखी थी ना, दो नंबर का डिवीजन हमेशा इंटीजर नहीं आता। लेट्स चेक फॉर द कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी। कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, have you remember commutative property? What the commutative property says of addition? a plus b is equal to b plus a. यानी दो अगर इंटीजर लेते हो तो आप उसको किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऐड करो, आंसर सेम है। मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या है, अगर दो नंबर आप किसी भी ऑर्डर में मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो आंसर आपका सेम है। ओके, कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी a plus b is equal to b plus a into b is equal to b into a. Now let's check whether it is satisfied in division or not. Okay, let's check. A and b are the two integers, so a divided by b must be equal to b divided by a. ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती है कि नहीं हमें चेक करना है। ओके, सपोज a is 4 and b is -2. Okay, consider these two example. So 4 divided by -2 and b, what is b? -2 divided by 4. अभी दोनों साइड सेम आती है नहीं मालूम है। 4 divided by 2 नॉर्मल डिवीजन करो और एक माइनस है तो आपको माइनस साइन देना है। -2 divided by 4, so your answer is -1/2. See, both sides you are getting different, so this condition is not satisfied. So you can say that integers are not commutative. Integers are not commutative. Okay, this is not satisfied. This condition is not satisfied under the division. Okay, integers are not commutative under division. Now let's check next condition. If any number, suppose a is a given number, if you divide any number, any integer by 0, it is meaningless. It is meaningless, or you can say it gives the infinity. But if you divide 0 divided by any integer, you will get the 0. Any number divided by 0, it's a meaningless. It will give you the infinity. If you divide 0 by any integer, it will give you the 0. It will give you the 0. This is the next property, division by 0. Now let's check division by 1. Suppose a is any given integer. A is any given integer, consider as -3. And if you divide any integer by 1, the result will be that whole number. अगर आप किसी भी इंटीजर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हो, पॉजिटिव 1, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, if you divide any integer by 1, you will get the same answer. Okay, so any integer divided by 1, you are getting the same integers. How? Let's check whether it is satisfied or not. a is -3, so -3 डिवाइड बाय 1। मैंने आपको क्या पता है, साइन भूल जाओ, आपको सिर्फ ये डिवीजन करना है। आंसर इज 3, गिव द 1 minus, so any number divided by 1 you will get that same number. 5 divided by 1, what is the answer? 5, right? So any number divided by 1 you are getting that same number. Minus 13 divided by 1 you are getting minus 13. यानी अगर आप किसी भी इंटीजर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हो तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा, वही इंटीजर आएगा। Now let's check this condition for -1 whether it is satisfied or not. Okay. If a is -3, say let's take the same number, and if we divide by -1, let's check the answer. -3 divided by -1. Now just now I told you the procedure. Both numbers are negative, so answer will be in positive. And normally divide like a whole number. 3 divided by 1, answer is 3. Both are negative, so give the positive sign. Answer is 3. Your integer is -3 and your answer is getting 3. So any number, if you divide by the -1, you are not getting the same result. Any number divided by -1, you will not get the same result. Okay? Same result कब मिलेगा आपको? जब आप किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करोगे, -1 से नहीं। Okay, let's take next property, that is last one, associative property. Now let's see the last property, that is associative property. Consider A as a -16, B as a 4 and C is a -2. Okay, so this must satisfy associative property state that A divided by B divided by C must be equal to A divided by B divided by C. Now let's check whether division satisfies this property or not. What is the value of A? Put these values in this equation. -16 divided by 4 divided by -2. -16 divided by 4, answer is -4 divided by -2. What you are getting? 2. Both are negative, answer will be positive. Now this side, put the values -16 divided by 4 divided by -2. 4 divided by -2. Now divide this 4 divided by -2. Normally whole number ऐसा division करना है और negative sign देंगे. -2, okay, and -16. So -16 divided by -2, answer is 8 because both are. See, one side you are getting 2 and one side you are getting 8. So you can say that division is, integers are not associative under the division. Integers are not associative under the division. Okay, समझ में आया? जैसे हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन में करते हैं a into b, वैसे ही आपको डिवीजन भी करना है. A divided by b divided by c, whether it is equal to, so this is not equal to this. Okay, hope you understand this division of integers. Thank you.